Good day, guys. Good day, guys. So welcome once again to this amazing YouTube channel. So we're going a new series as well, which is for the crash and boom, whereby we're going to be revealing strategies that we use to trade the crash and boom instruments. So basically, I'm going to start with the boom 300. So as you can see right now, I'm on a line chart. I'm on a line chart. The line chart is a very, very, very good chart to always look at as well whenever you're looking at price movements, whenever you're also looking at the way market has been trending. So if you check, this was a sharp uptrend. This was an uptrending market from there. Then after that, the market broke, and then currently we are in a what? In a downward form of a channel, downward channel like that. So following that downward channel, price broke out, came back for a retest, second retest. So currently we are sort of like at a base of, after breaking a downward channel, we're at the bottom. We're at the bottom of the channel. We're at the bottom of this channel. So this is boom 300, guys, boom 300. So the purpose of the line chart is there to guide you when it comes to the issues of the trend, and also identifying areas of key significance on the market. The line chart is also good for that. As you can see, we're at a level of resistance. Touch. That's a level of resistance. Let's see another key area. I just want few major areas that we're going to look at. Right. Let's look for the second major area here. Respected here, respected there, and there as well. Third one. So the best are the ones that are mostly visible. The ones that are mostly visible are the best ones that you need to mark out on your charts. Areas that are easily visible, that anyone can easily find. Those are key areas that are right. So I have these key areas that I've drawn. These are the current key areas that I'm seeing. So once I've identified my key area and my trend, I can as well go back to the candlestick chart. Going back to the candlestick chart, you actually see the market with a more visible way. So as you can see, this was the downward channel that the market has been following. Downward channel, broke out, came back, retest. So we have two retests, but the problem right now, we currently have a resistance where price is, where the market is. That's a level of resistance. That's a level of resistance. So when the price, where the market is, it's a level of what? Of resistance. Let me also mark key levels where the market can reverse on, or where they can also reverse. Right. So those are some of the areas that I'm seeing where the market can actually respect, and maybe reverse on. Currently, price is coming from a very, very major resistance on the daily. This is the daily time frame. That's a major resistance that we are seeing there. Major resistance. came to the resistance, failed to break. So that resistance, according to market structure, it's also a lower high. It's also a lower high because the market was downtrending. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So basically, once that lower high is broken, we expect to see a bullish move to the upside. We expect to see a bullish move to the upside. We expect to see a bullish move to the upside to the first level. Once the first level is broken, we look forward to the next level, which is what we call zone to zone trading. So once that lower high is broken, we expect the market to push all the way to that area, all the way to that zone. So far currently, this is where we are, this is where we are, this is what we are seeing. Then another thing that one can also look at is this higher low that the market has already created, because this low is higher than this low. Higher low, so meaning if all goes well, if it manages to push up and break here, that will now be a bullish market structure that will now be operating. So currently, this is what we are having. We'll scale down to a lower time frame. On the lower time frame, on the 4-hour, you can see that we created a level of support where the market is currently. There is a level of support where the market is currently. It's a level of support. So on that level of support now, we now need to look at the reaction of price, how price is going to respond there. If ever it goes well. So if you go to smaller time frames, you realize that we also have some form of a channel, like to the downside. You also have some form of channel there. So the breakout of that channel can also guide you for some entries. For example, once the market breaks out of this channel, one can actually take buys to this level. Once that level is broken, we are looking at the next level. So I was just refining the level here, refining the area there, refining the area, refining our area, refining our zone. This is the zone according to 4-hour. This is the zone. This is the zone. So let's just scale down to 1 hour. Let's see the details that price is giving us. Let's see the details that price is giving us. So 1 hour, here we are. Here we are. Let's draw our channels. So if you check, that was a downward, that was a falling wedge. Basically, that was a falling wedge. Falling wedge. After this push to the upside, we had a falling wedge. Then broke out here, came back. So if it rejects here on that retest, if it rejects here, it's a buying opportunity. TP1 there, then TP2 to the next major level there. TP2 will be at our next major level there on that resistance there. So I'm so happy. I'm happy that the falling wedge has been broken already. Price has broken out of that falling wedge. So what we now need to do is to wait for a candlestick confirmation pattern, either on 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Then we enter our buys. We enter our buys. Then we enter our buys. But basically, so far so good. So far so good. Let's see what 30 minutes is saying. So this is 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes. If you check the break that we're talking about, is this trend line here. Break and retest. It's a simple break and retest. So now it's on the retest area. It's on the retest area. So now it's on the retest area. we now need to see how price is going to behave on the retest area, which is somewhere on this zone here, on that zone there. So on that zone, once you get a bullish candlestick pattern, whether it's an engulfing or it's a hammer or whatever, we simply can start buying our boom 300. Once you start buying there, as you said, I showed you the targets. So basically, this is how you analyze crash and booms. This is how you analyze crash and booms, and that is how you identify your entry points and your exit points. So the next video will just be a feedback video to check how far the boom 300 moved according to our analysis. Did it go our way? If it went our way, it's simply showing you that our strategy, it's a strategy that is working, and it's something that you can also apply in your trading and make sure that you have improved and better results at the end of the day. So catch you on the next episode, catch you on the next video.